Every dollar you trust passes through a place you will never enter, a factory where every second is monitored, every mistake is destroyed, and nothing moves without being counted. This is not just how money is made, this is how trust is manufactured.
This is where trust begins, inside one of the most secure paper factories in the United States.
Money is not just paper. It is trust, crafted with care, controlled at every step.
Every dollar begins its life as raw material, transported under strict security.
Before entering production, every delivery is verified, logged, and approved.
All clear, you can proceed.
The paper used for currency begins with cotton and linen fibers, chosen for strength and durability. Every bundle is recorded before it is allowed to move forward. Only after inspection does the material move inside, where production begins. Once inside, the environment becomes fully controlled, monitored at every second. Production begins with careful preparation of the fibers that form the base of every dollar. Dust and impurities are removed before the fibers move any further. The exact blend determines the paper's strength and lifespan.
Looks like a good blend.
Agreed, the consistency is perfect.
At this stage, the fibers begin their transformation into paper.
Here, liquid pulp becomes the foundation of currency paper.
From this point on, the process never stops. Security features are embedded while the paper is still forming. What looks simple is controlled by thousands of precise adjustments. Only after drying does the paper qualify for printing. Another critical layer of protection is added directly into the paper. Once sealed, the thread cannot be removed without destroying the note. The first ink layers create the foundation of the design. These intricate patterns are nearly impossible to replicate.
Did you see the registration on this one?
Yeah, it looks a little off on the magenta.
This is where dollars gain their distinctive raised texture and unmistakable feel. The pressure forces ink deep into the paper, forming raised lines you can feel.
Every $100 bill receives a unique serial identity.
At this point, the $100 bills look complete, but they are not yet approved.
Every $100 bill sheet is scanned for microscopic errors.
Nothing defective is ever allowed to leave this facility. The final steps require the same level of precision. Each note now stands on its own. Only after this final review can the notes move forward. Before packaging, every note is counted and verified.
Only fully verified currency moves forward. Each package is logged and tracked. This is where finished currency waits for release. Once cleared, currency is prepared for controlled distribution. Each shipment is sealed before it leaves the facility. From here, the currency enters controlled distribution channels. From raw fibers to finished currency, every step is controlled, recorded, and protected. Because money is trust, and trust is built step by step.